Trinka.ai is a grammar checker and language corrector artificial intelligence tool for academic and technical writing. Let's have a look at their website, see what they can do for us. Find tricky errors that others don't. And they can find spelling, technical spelling issues, subject-verb disagreement, syntax issues. Really we do versus do we use aneurysms. That's lovely. Pronoun article usage. So that's quite useful. It improves writing beyond grammar and spelling. Give style guide preferences. Males rather use men, scored higher than the females, rather use women. Formal tone, even changes your tone, so it can change things like very much to significantly. This is sometimes an important tool to have because sometimes we write the same as we speak, and that's not always formal. Now, if you want to write in a formal way, technical word choice can be fixed and conciseness can be fixed, and this is very important. Studies were carried out to evaluate. Studies evaluated. Very useful. It suggests corrections relevant to your subject, whether it's medicine, biology, physics, social sciences, engineering, chemistry, geology, computer science, and economics. So here's a few examples in specific areas that it fixes the right language. This is very useful. Now, Trinka has a free package, which is nice. You get a limit of 10,000 words per month, but while if you pay for this, you'll get an unlimited monthly usage. There's also a plagiarism check score for 1 a month and 2 free credits of a plagiarism check or to file edit. And there's a few other things that you get on the free package, but everything is better on the paid for package. I would definitely suggest start off with free, see what it can do for you, and then you can decide if you're going to pay for it. The next step is to register, and you can register for free, and then you sign in. I've already signed in, so let me go to my platform, my profile, and here you can see there's various functions here listed on the left. And you can choose if you would like to upload a new file, create a new file, or if you'd like to upload a document. Let's look at something that I've already created. And it opens in a new page, it seems. Let's have a look at what Trinka looks like on the inside. The next step for you is to register an account for free or to sign in. I've already got an account, so I've signed in. And this is what Trinka looks like. You can do quite a few things with it, and we'll go through each one of them. But if you want to use the language correction and grammar editing function, you can create a new file where you can copy and paste information in by clicking here, or you can upload a document by clicking here. Let's upload something. This is an article in draft format that we are working on, and it gives us a suggestion here that we can try out auto-file edit, or we can edit manually. I'm going to go for manual. It seems completely free, and see what it gives us. Now it gives a file name which you can change. British English, stick to that. We want academic writing. General writing is perfectly fine. Let's do academic writing rather than general writing. Subject area, let's say in the medical field. Style guide, nothing required here. Paper type, original article. Let's save and proceed. And here we are. Let's see what it came up with. Definitely a few things that we can definitely change. We look at the underlined areas. So here's a suggestion where it wants us to change foot to foot. Let's see if we can get to this one. It says our ligament injuries is a problem. Where's that now? Let's see what it says. Injuries were categorized by an orthopedic surgeon. It says it's in the passive voice. Okay, this was helpful, so we can decide if we want to change it to active voice. This one, it suggests ligaments injury fractures. Change to ligament injury fracture. Okay, we can consider that. So you need to go through the entire report, and there's a lot of suggestions that can definitely be helpful. Spelled out numbers, yes, of course, right through this document. So just play around with your report, see what you find. For me, it's really a useful tool, especially this function. Now let's go back to our dashboard, because there's quite a few other functions that we can play around with as well. Another very useful function in Trinka is the Citation Checker. You just click here, I've already opened it, and it will take you to this page. Now you submit your file, and then you get a free score and report. Now this is much better to use if you have the paid version, and you drag and drop your file in here, and it gives you a score as to how good the citations are that are included in your article. Identify citations with issues across visibility, age, and more. Replace with stronger citations to improve. So this really sounds like a useful function. Another useful function in Trinka is the Plagiarism Checker. You drag and drop your file in here, and remember you get one free plagiarism check per month on the free version. Otherwise you can go for the paid version. And then you get your plagiarism report. Very useful. Another lovely function in Trinka is the Journal Finder. Now the Journal Finder helps you find a journal for your precious research paper. So you take the abstract and you paste it in here, and then they suggest different journals for you that you can choose from. Really a solution when you get to that point where it's ready to get your article or to choose a journal and you don't know where to submit to. So Trinka really has a lot of very useful functions. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.